Welcome to Hot Cross Buns, a tasty tradition. Get ready to learn how to make these delicious treats from scratch. To start, gather your ingredients: flour, yeast, sugar, butter, milk, eggs, raisins, and spices. Everything you need for the perfect hot cross buns. Next, mix all the ingredients together and knead the dough until it becomes smooth and elastic. This will give your buns a soft and fluffy texture. Now it's time to add the cross on top of the buns. Use a piping bag filled with white icing to create the iconic cross shape. Place the buns in the oven and bake until they are golden brown. Once they're done, let them cool slightly and enjoy the warm, spiced goodness of homemade hot cross buns. Now you know the secret to making hot cross buns from scratch. Whether it's Easter or any time of the year, these soft, spiced buns with a cross on top are sure to be a hit. Happy baking!